everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about 3 amazing products from the brand Moha. I have their herbal scrub, I have their foot care cream, and I also have their nail care cream. And I have been loving to use these products, so I thought why not share detailed review of these 3 products. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. I will be starting with the Moha Herbal Scrub. This is a 100 grams tube and it retails for rupees 155. It's a very travel friendly product if you ask me. It promises that it will help to reveal your healthy skin and it will also help to make your complexion glow. This has beautiful ingredients such as walnut, orange peel, nutmeg, olive and rose. All these amazing ingredients will help to bring out your skin's natural complexion, which sometimes gets hidden due to the sun, pollution and so many other factors. As I mentioned, this scrub has really power ingredients and each of these power ingredients perform a special task. So the walnut shell helps to gently exfoliate the dead skin cells. You also have orange peel which helps in brightening the skin naturally. There is another power ingredient known as the olive oil which will help to moisturize your skin from deep within. The nutmeg present in it will eliminate the skin eruption and the rose present in it will help to retain the moisture of your skin. Now using this herbal scrub is also very easy. You just squeeze the scrub into your palm and massage over wet face in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can rinse off and pat dry. So once I have used the scrub, you can see that my face feels so bright. It feels very refreshed. This is a herbal product and herbal products tend to change color with time. Also make sure that whenever you are using this scrub, avoid your eye area because this is a very sensitive area. This is a very important and amazing product that we must try, especially during the summers if you are someone who goes out on a daily basis. Next, I will be talking about the Moha Foot Care Cream. Now, I really feel that feet is that part of our body which is the most neglected one, but truly speaking, it should get much more attention than we provided because it carries a lot of weight, and this product offer here will help you exactly do that. This is the Moha Foot Care Cream. It has papaya, aloe, peppermint which are its power ingredients. I'll talk about those in details, but before that, this is a 100 gram product again, and this one retails for rupees 250. Very travel friendly. If you travel or go outside a lot, you can just dump it in your bag, and this one says that it is going to give you smooth feet and you will get freedom from foot cracks, especially during the winters right now. I think most of us go through cracked feet and it is not something that looks good at all. Also, it is not healthy for your body. The opening, the cracks will just attract more germs and pollution which can lead to infection and so many other problems, and this one, if you use this, it will help to curb that. So one power ingredient is the papaya. Papaya, as we all know, is rich in vitamins, so it helps to smoothen and gently exfoliate, which helps to reduce the appearance of cracks on your feet. Then it also has peppermint oil which helps to soothe your skin, and the next power ingredient present in this is aloe which will help to moisturize your skin. Using this is super easy, so just wash your feet very nicely and pat it dry. Then you take a good 2 to 3 squeeze and massage gently from toe to ankle till the cream is completely absorbed. I would say that you should use this before bedtime because the texture is a little bit thick, so if you apply it during the night before bedtime, you will have no other activity to do, so the cream will get the full time to work its goodness. The last product from Moha that I am going to talk about is the Moha Nail Care Cream. Again, nail and hands, we do not really pay attention specifically. We might moisturize our body, but we do not really take care of our nails or the fingers, right? So this one is the Moha Nail Care Cream. It has almond oil and flaxseed oil. This is again a 100 grams tube, retails for rupees 200. Again, very convenient packaging, very travel friendly. Now this one promises that you will be getting strong, healthy and glossy nails. Now this one has almond oil. Almond oil has vitamin E, which helps to restore the gloss and hydration. It also contains flaxseed oil, which will help to prevent the peeling and breaking. And this one, if you use it for longer period of time, you will see that your nails are much more healthier. They are not brittle, nor are they flaky. I have seen people, if they use a lot of water, then their nails tend to break very easily. But this one will make your nail much more stronger, at the same time smooth and glossy, so you'll have beautiful nails. Using this is again very easy. So just pre-clean your nails and make sure that your hand is very clean. Take the required amount and massage gently till the cream is completely absorbed by your hands. Again, I would prefer or recommend that you use it during the bedtime, because then it will have the full night to work and give the magical benefits. So these were my top 3 recommendations from the brand Moha: their herbal scrub, their foot care cream and their nail care cream. If you have liked watching this video, make sure that you check my description box, because I will provide all the links of these 3 products in the bottom bar below. If you have found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. It would really mean a lot to me. If you like watching me and my content, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right beside it, so that you're always notified whenever I upload a new video. And I am also very active on Instagram. I post exclusive content on Instagram, which is not there on my YouTube. So you're missing out a lot if you're just subscribed to me here and not following me on Insta. So go, hurry, run and follow me on Instagram. My handle is @mysticalimran. I'll be seeing you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.